Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can drop 10 years from your age by wearing this gorgeous overnight mask. It's best for people who have dull, pigmented, sagging and blemished complexion that lacks glow and hydration. Try this mask and wake up to a fresh, clear, younger looking and blemish-free skin. So girls, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. To prepare this mask, take 1 tablespoon of yogurt, or you can also use curd. Girls, you get tons of benefits if you use yogurt on your beautiful skin. Benefits such as moisturizing, nourishing, brightening, anti-aging, exfoliating and toning. The next thing that you need is only a half of this deliciously sweet fruit. So first grate them and gently press it to extract the fresh juice. It's a great beauty aid for creating fresh and flawless skin. Using apples in a face mask utilizes the alpha hydroxy acids which help remove dull, dry and dead skin. The next thing that we are going to add is this fatty rich oil, that is your castor oil. So around 4 to 5 drops of it. Now many of you may think that castor oil will clog pores, but don't worry, it's a non-comedogenic oil. It promotes the growth of healthy skin tissue, making it helpful in restoring your damaged skin. And finally, we are going to add everyone's favorite oil, that is your vitamin E oil, nature's most powerful antioxidant that heals and repairs skin. So prick a vitamin E capsule to release the oil. Combine all the ingredients together. Keep in the freezer for 3 to 5 minutes. Once the mask has turned thick and chill, spread evenly on face and neck. Apply this 5 minutes before going to bed. The best thing is that it absorbs in a couple of minutes, so that you won't feel any difficulty sleeping with this mask on. Let this mask work its magic while you sleep. Once you wake up and wash your face the next morning, you will notice a less number of imperfections. Your dark spots have lightened, your skin look refined, smooth, and you are glowingly bright with youthful vigor and freshness. So my dear friends, give this mask a try and see your skin getting more younger and clear day by day. So I'll see you until the next video. Till then, take care and bye.